Hi, guys. Welcome to Math and Logic Week 2 for the summer of 2020. Thanks to everybody who's on schedule. I really appreciate it. I know it's a lot of work to do in the summer, but remember your goal is to get through Math and Logic this summer and not have to drag it out for an entire semester. So for those of you on track, great. If you're behind, please get caught up. Please get caught up by this Thursday at noon. I know it might take a little extra push, but then you won't always be lagging behind. And finally, if you're one of the few students who's not started in the course yet, if you're still enrolled and haven't started and aren't caught up by Thursday at noon, I'll grade you out with an NS grade. That's basically a no-show. That has a negative impact on financial aid. So if you're going to be in the course, get caught up by Thursday. If you're not going to be in the course, then make sure you withdraw through the enrollment services. This week we've got another slate of stuff. 3 homework assignments this time. We're going to finish up our stuff on sets. If you get stuck when you're doing homework and you'd like to know what I think about it, you can email me. But the easiest way to do that is if you're doing a problem and you look up in the corner up here at those help features, ask my instructor is one of those links. That sends me the exact problem you're looking at. So then I can look at your problem and reply to it exactly. So that's a great way to get a hold of me. Otherwise, email works too if you have questions on individual problems. Our first test is this week. So our test is going to be over just the stuff from SET, so 2.1 through 2.5, not the problem-solving stuff, not the inductive, deductive reasoning stuff. There's a practice test you need to take first, but I want you to remember the test is open notes. So if you've got some notes, if you've got some other materials, the book, that's all fine to use on the test. Just don't let somebody else take it for you. Okay, so take the practice test on your own. You can take that as many times as you want. It's worth the same amount of percent of your grade as a regular homework assignment. It takes the best score. But then when you go to take the test, which you can only take once, make sure you're ready for it. Make sure you've got your notes and things ready. Our first message board is due this Thursday. That's just a quick self-introduction. I see a lot of you did that already. I can't wait to get in there and read those. And then finally, our first problem-solving problem is due this Thursday. These are just quick ways for me to try to talk to you and interact with you about problem solving. So I've got it posted in our course. I'll attach it to the email as well. But it's just a quick, I want you to look at it, do your best, try to figure out how you would figure it out, and then do that. And then what you need to email me is your heuristic, which is your problem solving method. There's a list of those linked in the course. Your work, and then your answer to the problem. So then I'll record a solution video to the problem, send it back along with your graded thing, and we'll do one of those basically every week, save the 4th of July week and the last week of the course. So get used to getting those done once a week. I know this is kind of a lot, but remember we're compressing this down into like basically twice as fast. Again, keep your goal in mind. Your goal, pass Math and Logic this summer, so you don't have to take it later, and keep after it. I know you guys can do it. Finally, just on a personal note, my mother-in-law passed away this Monday, and it's been a hard few weeks, and there'll be some hard weeks to come. So I know it's a sad and difficult time for everybody out there. And we're going through this. So I hope that you're all able to be taking care of yourselves and your loved ones, and I'll try to do the same here. So that's all I've got for you this week. Go do math. I appreciate it, and be in touch with any questions you've got. Thanks.